Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert MP4 into MP3 into a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we need to open VLC Media into our Windows operating system. If you didn't download VLC Media Studio into your Windows operating system, then I suggest you, I have dedicatedly made a video about how to download VLC Media Studio into your Windows operating system. So go check it and then download VLC Media Player. So if you downloaded it, and now you just need to come over to the media section over here, and you just need to go for the convert and save, click on that. And now what we will going to do, we will going to click on add and going to add that video. We want to convert it into MP3. After that, we just need to click on convert/save, and then we will need to select in the profile section audio MP3, and then we can change the destination. If you click on browse, and then if you put it into desktop and click save, click start, after a very short time you can see over here that the file will be converted, you can see. And now if you go for into our desktop, you can see this file, we converted it into audio in a very simple way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.